Kia ora everyone and welcome to Francis Douglas Memorial College as they take on St Paul's Collegiate here today. We have a stunner day over in New Plymouth. St Paul's Collegiate top of the table and Francis Douglas Memorial College also seeking to move their way up the table. Having a look at the St Paul's team list, Hull, Hill, Brown and Kahotea make up the front row, with Gus Ware and Alex Young in the second row. Kibbe, McLeod and Young, the captain, are our back row for St Paul's, with Silic and Kilmeister in the halves. Smythe, McGow, Thompson, Blake and Jackson Hay make up the rest of the backs. And on the bench, Thompson, Kennedy, Pocock, Boynton, Very, Birch and De Bruyne. For Francis Douglas, Irks, Willis and Uhlenberg are our front row, with Crawford and captain Jack Walls in the second row. Moratti, Isaiah, Taylor and Lorne, Goonan, Faunali, Carter, Willis and Corrigan are our backs. And off the bench, Charlie Aim, Felix Smith, Lachlan Sorensen, Luca Johnston-Saywell, Lennox Hay-Wenger and Malua Manutahi and Luca Thompson. Should be a great game today. Francis Douglas Memorial College, of course, home of the three great All Blacks, Scott, Geordie and Bonan Barrett. And St Paul's Collegiate, well, they're on a roll, undefeated so far in this year's competition. They haven't played in a few weeks. They recently came off a very strong, close win against St Peter's at St Peter's in that local derby. And they will be seeking to keep that streak alive. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Whakata MāORI, Apollo Projects, Caltex, Bailey's, Nativa and Anchor. They give us the chance to watch this grassroots rugby. It should be a great game today. Kickoff is scheduled for about 12:05 after haka and runouts.
It's all part of the process, isn't it? So, no, it's good. I'm good. Brilliant. Hey, I started with that.
For all those Chiefs fans around the country, I'm sure you're very happy with the result last night. Never thought I'd see that. But Blues Hurricanes tonight. I'm a Blues fan myself, so we will see. So Francis Douglas came up short on Wednesday against Feilding, but the week before they got a narrow win against Whanganui Collegiate. It's 21-17, and like I previously said, St Paul's coming off that ripper of a game where they won 36-29 in the dying seconds, won by 7 and they're now 5-0 with a point difference of 105 points. They will be looking to keep that momentum into this game.
Walk into the 15 with the ref.
Forward up, George. Forward up, mate. Yeah. Go shoulders, mate. Go shoulders. Like he's in there. Get up, take the kick off. Push her out. Stop, Headley. Same again, kids.
Uriura tātou ki whānau. St. Paul's, Collegiate versus Francis Douglas i te whānau, anei rātou. A pakanga ana e tuki ana, kātai hono ka whana i te pōro, he whana rewa. Beautiful pressure on the ball, whānau. As they send it right back to them. Giving them another opportunity. Te rutu kaha. St. Paul's. Nei rātou e te iwi ka pakanga ana, ka tuki ana. Whawhai ana mo te pōro. Early into our first game at the whānau, 2 minutes i. Picked up the ball again. Here he is, trying for opportunity to score himself a try, or his team a try to whānau. Francis Douglas, te whero, St. Paul's, te pongo, me te kōwhai. Both hands. And a beautiful tackle there was whānau, shutting things down. Francis Douglas putting up an outstanding performance so far. Just reached the 3-minute mark of this game at Te Whanau. Yeah, they'll touch him making his way. They get ready for a line out here at Te Whanau. Francis Douglas hungry for the boy, te iwi anei rātou, breaking through the lines, and Matamata Matoru. Securing their ruck, making sure the ball is safe. St. Paul not giving up either way. Here they are, making their way towards the try line. Picks the ball up again, find an advantage for Francis Douglas. Anei ngā kapa e rua e Te Whanau, ka tuki ana. Māwai rā e toa i tēnei kēmu. Anā, te piro... Oh, kau. E hara tērā i te piro whānau. They'll take the touch, securing themselves some easy meters. Here's the touchy on the side of the field, setting the mark for their lineouts as they get ready to iwi. Passing a bit of a catch that is Whanau, shifting the ball out. Chad Kirk, playing pause with a good bounce. Here they are, passing the ball out, Whanau. And another kick made, forcing the ball down. Fullback is feeling the pressure at hand. And what a beautiful tackle there was, Whanau shutting it down. Unfortunately, that was a bit too high. It gives Francis Douglas an opportunity to make their comeback at the iwi. Both teams putting up a strong performance so far in the early minutes of the first half of this game at Te Whanau. Francis Douglas Memorial College versus St. Paul's Collegiate. Francis Kifero, St. Paul's Kapongo. Ka tuki ana a tātou tīma i tēnei rangi nei. On a beautiful day at that Whanau. They are putting pressure on the ball, forcing them to kick it down. Trying to get out of the end zone. St. Paul's got the ball in hand right now. And here they are making their way up the field. Good pressure by Francis Whanau. Shutting everything that's coming their way down. As we can see, our boys are tired finally after putting in that hard mahi. Taking deep breaths, slowing the breathing down. Haki rofo, haki oho. Now they're getting ready for a scrum whanau. Ka pakanga nā tātou tīma. Strong scrum at there, whānau. Getting the ball out, making his way down the sideline, flipping back in, saving himself on that sideline, whānau, avoiding any turnovers whatsoever. Good tackle by Francis, whānau. Putting back an extra 2 metres from that run itself. Beautiful pressure, whānau, by St. Paul's as they try to win their ball back for themselves.
Yeah, I know.
Ka tuki ana tātou tīma I te rangi nei I te whānau nei rātou e whakariterite ana mo tētahi scrum anō. Nei te nama iwa. It's an outstanding performance, whānau. There it is. Seems like we have the first try of the game to be. St. Paul's picks that one up.
He's right now, right towards the main stand there, and I thought, shit, you're right sideways here. Right. Surely when they go from the half.
Just like that, whānau, an easy conversion for St. Paul's as they take the lead of 7 points over Francis Douglas, whānau. E rātou e o mana ki te rārangi, te pai wehe o te whira, making their way towards the half line, getting ready to kick. Te wainga rātou I tēnei wā tonu. Looking for the short kick, catching him off guard. A beautiful bounce that was. A near high tackle from Francis Douglas. St. Paul's sending their ball straight back at the MAORI. Looking for the kick to touch, whānau, capitalising on some easy meters. Here it is. It's not quite out, whānau. They pick it up, save it, giving themselves another opportunity to score for themselves. Nani ko rira rātou ki te poitaha o te whira. The sideline is where they went with that one, whānau. Strong tackle by St. Paul's. Stealing the ball straight back from them. St. Paul's coming in strong at the MAORI. Just like that, whānau. They have picked it up. Looking for the opportunity to break through the line. Can they do it? Francis takes the ball, whānau. St. Paul's shutting it down. Here they are, tackling, and showing up, and showing out. Tāna tātou tiki te ia tā. Tuki Whakangana mō te pōro. You can see both teams battling it out right now, whānau. Neither team is letting up whatsoever. They go the ball, make a sideline. Ia, he ana tātou te kite I ngā tīmai kaha tuki ana te kaumā ona minuti ko whai mai. Mai te hāwhia tuatahi o tēnei kēmu te whānau ka whakangana a tātou tīmai tēnei rā tonu. Tēnā mā wairai toi tēnei. There it is, whānau. The try is successful. Francis Douglas picks up the first try of the match. Currently sitting at a 2-point differential. Hare ia, hei ana tātou te kite a tīmai e rua, tuki ana, whakanga ana mō te pōro. Kāore hea ha mai a tīmai whānau. This is just another day for them. Another day in the office. Beautifully converted. There it is, whānau. 7-all. Both teams tied up right now.
Let's go, boys! Come on! Work! Let's go! Work!
Beautiful performance, outstanding performance from both teams. E te whānau, e te iwi, e te mārenga nei rātou. E kaha pakangana, e tēnei rā. And a good kick. Unfortunately, that was a knock-on. And the ref always correct whānau. As you can see, they weren't quite happy with that one. But they keep pushing whānau. The game has not been over yet. Waiting on the rest call. Patari ana mo te paranga o te kaiwa wao, o te kēmu. Te waho the ball. The ball is outside. The whanarewa chip kick. And they send it right back, feeling the pressure at hand, whānau. Pull back has it. Straight back to them, whānau. Straight into the crowd at Te Iwi. Both teams coming in hot, whānau, te kā tātou, ki a rātou. Flying, whānau, soaring. Yeah, both teams on both sides of the field hungry for that ball, wanting the next try, whānau. They understand what they're taking. What a beautiful run that was. Marking this run through the line, whānau. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man, it does not matter. They're making their way towards their try line. France is putting up good defense at the moment though. Rubber almost there, Fano, but unfortunately couldn't quite get there in time. Beautiful kick there was though. France was making their way towards the ball, shutting down any easy tries they could have had for that opportunity. And here they are again, setting up for another line-out. Hea na tātou ki te ngā tīma. E rua. And the ball is alive, Fano, the ball is active. Take that dummy out, Fano. Draw and pass. Draw and pass again. Almost saving it from the sideline, Fano, but a good push by St. Paul's, noticing that he was right there next to the sideline. Anei aia. E o mana ki te paitaha o te whirai parahuti ana. 20 minutes in e te whānau, Francis Douglas Memorial College and St. Paul's Collegiate showing up and showing out. Tā tātou, te mātakitaki a tātou tīma i te rangi nei. Ngā rangatahi o a pōpō, the faces of the future. Strong tackle e te whānau. Beautiful way to get that ball out of the ruck. Ia hea na tātou ki te ngā tīma e rua e kā tukutuki ana e kā pakanga ana. Through the line, Whanau, hit into their gap, breaking through, giving them a beautiful, beautiful opportunity to score. Wait for Francis to shut that down. They are about 20 meters out from their try line, Whanau. They are hungry and they want that ball. Penalty advantage. St. Paul's e te iwi anei rātou. E whakaritiriti ana mō te pōro, looking for another kick to touch, getting them some more easy meters.
Come on, let's get back there. Go, Josh.
Picked up by St. Paul's, Whanau anei rātou, trying to fit through the line and make their way through for another break. Francis with the ball in hand now, Whanau, here they are, breaking through the line. Good, strong meters by the team right there. And they pick their ball up, Whanau anei rātou, tuki ana. E whakanga ana, māwaira e toi tēnei Kim, still sitting at 1 try, 1 conversion for each team. 7 points at that, 7 all. Whitu mai ia tīma. Francis Douglas versus St. Paul's. O te manako, e pai ana te whawhātou rā I te rangi nei I te whānau. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful day. Oh, what a strong pass that was, whānau. Did not expect that one. Faked out the lift to make it all the way through to the end of the line. Here's Francis trying to pull them away from their try lines because they are meters out right now. Good pressure from both teams, whānau. Francis is not letting up easily whatsoever. They are not going to give them any easy option. Fed through to the middle with a quick short pass. Wasn't able to quite get through right there, but can they do it? Whānau meters out from the try line. Francis is putting up an outstanding performance of defense right now, shutting that down. They are not letting them have any easy tries, whānau, whatsoever. The same pause is bulldozing their way through. Getting closer and closer to the line. Just like that, whānau, ko te ahuahi rohanga, mo te kapo o Francis. Beautiful defense by Francis Douglas, whānau, shutting down that try that was about to come from St. Paul's. St. Paul's, beautiful performance from them as well, trying to bulldoze their way through there. Beautiful liner there was whānau, Francis with the ball. Strong tackle by St. Paul's, whānau, anei rātou. Hungry for the ball, whānau, ki te hia kai rātou. I hi ana rātou, ki te kai te pōro, kai a rātou, hoariri. With the go mark for 27 minutes into the first half. And look at the game that we have on our hands right now, whānau, it is back and forth. One try per team. St. Paul's versus Francis Douglas, whānau. Mō ngā whānau, me ngā hoa e mātakitaki ana I tēnei mai te kāinga through our live stream. I'd like to give you a big thank you for tapping in today, whānau, and taking the time out of your day to support our rangatahi I te whānau, I te iwi, I te Whanganui. They come here, whānau, put an outstanding performance on for both teams, both sides. Whakarongo ki te karanga o te kai wawao. Back and forth at the iwi, neither team leading up, neither team taking their foot off the gas when they are in their deep red zone, whānau. St. Paul's with the advantage now as they get ready to set up for their line out. Nei te namarua e tatari ana, te makahia I te pōro. Flying, whānau, soaring through the sky as they grab that ball. St. Paul's, whānau, what a team to watch out for. O ngā whakarongo ki te karanga o te kai wawao. ref is always right, whānau. So we make sure to listen to our refs.
Give me a yellow one. No, this is green. I love green.
That's yellow.
Mix.
You're colourblind.
No, this is green.
That's the green. That's
yellow.
That's like it's highlighted. It's like lime.
It's highlighted.
It's lime.
Just like that, the ball is out, whānau. Nei rātou. Strong tackle by St. Paul's. You look at Tahangia, you rātou Horiri, as they try and fight back for the ball, and they'll win that for themselves, whānau. What a tackle, what a tide turner that was. Whanarewa me te whai, chip and chase. What an outstanding performance we have on our hands right now, whānau. 30 minutes into the game, 10 minutes away from the end of our first half. Both teams have only scored once, one try, one conversion. You can feel the pressure at hand. Even if you are watching from home, whānau, watching through your screen right now, I know that you feel the pressure right now. It's slowly rising, the tension is slowly building. Both teams coming in strong at the iwi. Thank you, ref, e te whānau. The crowd love that call, e te iwi. Here they are. Whakarite ana mo tētahi scrum anō. Nei rātou e tatari ana mo te karanga o te pōro. Thirty-three minutes in, whānau. Minutes and 30 seconds left on the clock. Can they manage to score themselves another try? They're pushing their way towards the sideline, whānau, towards the try line as well. Nearing the try line, whānau, with 6 minutes left. They looking for that score. During the ruck, but Francis picked it up. Unfortunately, it isn't going to go their way though. An advantage for St. Paul's, giving them another opportunity. Quickly, whānau, I want to take a moment to acknowledge and thank our sponsors and supporters. First, a big thank you to Whakaata MāORI for providing the platform to share this event with whānau across Aotearoa, helping us showcase our rangatahi and bring the action to audiences free of charge and accessible no matter where you are located. I would also like to take the time to acknowledge and thank Te Taura Whiri Te Reo Māori for their ongoing support and development with Te Reo Māori and strengthening its presence in events like this. To all our other sponsors, mihi nui ki a koutou, and just like that whānau, penalty kick makes it through, giving them a 3-point lead over Francis Douglas. Yuma mina sia toi ana, nei rātou, e o mana, ki te whira,
No, they got it. It's half time.
just like that whānau, tā te tātou, ki te hāwhe, whakamutunga, te mutunga o te hāwhe tuatahi. MāORI te iwi, thank you all for tapping in. We will be back with you very shortly, whānau MāORI.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Well, I can't wait any longer. You know my love is on fire. Oh, yeah. Come on and give it to me.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved with it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
Sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off the steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Nā, whakatatai atu tātou, te hawhai tuarua, te hawhai whakamutunga o tēnei kēmu. We have nearly arrived to the second half of the game, just the final half of this game. St. Paul's versus Francis Douglas whānau. Francis in the red, St. Paul's in the black. Both teams have been putting up an outstanding performance on both ends of the field, defence-wise and offensive-wise. You can tell that neither team wants to let up or give up today, te iwi. They are here to show up and show out. Te ahua nei, e whakawhiti kōrero ana rātou, ki runga I te whira, figuring out the next play of attack.
Yeah, someone threw Riley's brother's Riley's brother's autistic. No, is he actually? I think no, he's not. His name's he does have a shitty hill on it.
Neither team finally gonna let up whatsoever. They are here to win this.
You're allowed bus cuts at us, aren't you? Yeah. I heard a mum say you can't. I think it was your mum. Well, you can't. You said you can't have you have to have like over 3.
Yeah.
But you can't have over 3 isn't even a bus cut. You can't have over like No, what did my mum asked me to get like a 2? A 2? All over? The shortest I've gone I've done that. Like a 1. So, you don't want to get a 2 with me? No. All over. I'll get a 2 if someone like rugby can like a 1st or something. Bro, I'll get a
Almost there, Tiwi. We are still waiting for them to kick things off for themselves. Hore roa, ka tuki ai a tātou tīma.
We should all get like 3. We should all get like 3. No, we should all get a 16. I have the worst here. Mine's like dead straight. We should all get a same, bro. We should all get a 16. I wash my conditioner. We need a 16. Look at my boots after I was like
Here we are, whānau, getting ready to set up for the second half of the match, the final half of the match at that. Both teams here to put up an outstanding performance for our crowd today. Here the whānau kick off. And they send it straight back, whānau. Whanarewa me te whai. Good tackle there was by Francis. St. Paul's securing the ruck for themselves. Strong defence by Francis at the moment at the whānau nei rātou. Neither team leading up. St. Paul's looking for the opportunity to score themselves a try. Well, it seems that there was a knock-on and an advantage for Francis. Francis now has the ball in hand. They're going to be getting ready for another scrum. I know your tātou tīma e te iwi.
Wait, you gotta kick us.
3-point differential between our two teams today, whānau. So far they have been going back and forth, bringing the energy to the field today. Tā pakangana tātou rangatahi, ko pakatahi rātou mo tēnei. Mo tēnei wā, for this moment, they have been practicing days in, days out, whānau. You can already tell rugby training has been tough, considering the way that they are playing today. There's a motto that my coach once told me, whānau, and it is train hard, fight easy. Same principle follows in this. Train hard, play easy. And then this is probably just another day, whānau, in the office. Just reached over 2 minutes, whānau. E whana rewa me te whai anei tēnā maono. E para haututi ana. E whawhai ana mo te pōro. Francis picks it up though. shutting down anything that is coming towards their way. No easy tries around here, Theory. Number 10 picks it up, beautiful catch at that. And a good pass, way to step back in, making sure that he is away from that sideline. They secure the rock. They get the ball out of there. Good hands by St. Paul's. Here's St. Paul's Etifano battling it out. Almost at their try line. Can he get there? And just like that, Etiwi, he makes his way right there. And he picks himself up a try for his team. Kaumari Matamata, Etiwi. 8-point differential at the moment. Now they're getting ready for their kickoff. Mataku here, Mataratu conversion. Seems like he didn't get that one in Whanganui. Pressure was definitely there. Both teams Whanganui. Another team leading up whatsoever. They pick the ball up on 8 after.
Roll, Lucky, roll!
Trying to get himself out of there. Not happy with that call. But you move on, Whanganui. Anything you can go from here, Whanganui is up. Only weight is up. Trying to prevent it from going out. What a smart play. Unfortunately couldn't do it, but I thought an idea was there, Whanganui with the Whakaaro with the MāORI. Again, I want to give a big thank you to everybody who tapped into today's live stream to support our rangatahi. Te rā nei.
Come on, nice pitch.
Ball gets out of there, Whanganui. Here they are, securing the ruck. Both teams putting up an outstanding performance, showing up and showing out. Quick offload for a short ball. Ruck secured. They get the ball out of there, and there it is, just like that, Whanganui. Number 11 with a goosey step, passes it back into the number 13. Meters away from their try line. St. Paul's takes them out though. What a close opportunity. Trying to figure out our call right now, Whanganui. Seems Tachi had called out, but the ball was still in play on the field. There it is. Tāhua nei riro te pōro, ki te poitaha o te whira. Nei rātou, e whakaritiri ara mo te line out. Picks it up. And they're driving him away from that try line. Weeding the ball out, Whanganui. Nei te nama te kaumātahi. E oma, ana, mō te pōro. Drawn pass, Whanganui, drawn pass. Beautiful drawn passes by Francis. St. Paul's. struggling to get their tackle, but they just got it, whānau. Cutting down in easy meters and a strong tackle by St. Paul's. Rugby is a game of many rules, whānau. There's a lot of places where you can make mistakes in this game. And right now we are watching professional rugby, whānau. Ākua. Tamariki noi hui nei tamaitihi. Rātahi noi o rātou. They play the game like they have been playing it their whole lives, and you can see their whānau. It shows in the experience of what they are doing today. Looking for the chip and chase. They secure the ruck, trying to get out of there. Any easy meters they can get, they are on that whānau. Good sportsmanship by St. Paul's. Seems like we have the advantage for Francis. They are securing their ruck. St. Paul's feeling the pressure at hand. They understand that they have to stop this ball now or never. The ball is out. Pushing his way through whānau, driving those legs. Whakatata tātou ki te kau minutsi o te half e whakamutunga o tēnei game. We have almost reached 10 minutes of the first half of this, of the second half of this game with whānau, the final half. Good tackle that was. He gets back up, back through the line, looking for someone to support him. He is there, 5 meters out from the try line, whānau. Can they pick the ball up and get their try? Trying to get it out to the winger. Ngāri ko riro rātou ki te paitaho, te whirai, te iwi. An unfortunate turn of events for them. What a good moment there was too for Francis. Shining whānau. Waiting for the call. Tatariana mo te karanga o te kaiwa wao. And a beautiful pass there was at te iwi. Good drive by St. Paul's College. As they get the ball out, anei rātou e tuki ana e pakangana mō te pōro. Stai tātou, ki te ngā tīma e rua e tuki ana. Ka tahi anō ia kua whanai te pōro. 7 minutes on the clock. Francis capitalises on the opportunity te iwi anei rātou. Close to 20 metres out from their try line, they need this try whānau. Try and even up these scores. Back and forth at te iwi this whole game. Pressure rising, tension building. Whiti piro mo Francis e te whānau, te kaumarima of St. Paul's. Neither team letting up whatsoever. They both have their foot on the gas. Tāna tātou te kite a rātou. Tātou te kite a rātou te whānau. Waiting for the ref's call. Here they are, whakawhiti kōrero ana. On a beautiful day like this, whānau, you can't help yourself but to watch some rugby. E kaha tākoro ana tātou tīma. Here they are as they get ready for the scrum whānau te kau mā 30 minutes i tō te kau hekona. Kātahi anō kua hepa. Looks like they're finding the ball is out of their red zone. Ori te waitaha nei rātou, takari ana mō te kau wawao. Tāna karanga, waiting for the ref and his call. Scrum in action right now. Seems like we have another scrum about to set up right now, with the advantage in St. Paul's favour. Looking for a kick to touch as they make their way closer and closer towards their try line. They are currently up by 8 points whānau te kau mārima miniti ko hipa. 15 minutes has passed in our final half of the match. Fakes it out, here they are trying to draw themselves in. Almost making it to whānau. Just like that, whānau. They've picked themselves up another score, 20 points for St. Paul's, as they are now going to be getting ready for the conversion, waiting on the tee. Anei te nama te kau mārima, here is the number 15, setting up for his kick. What a beautiful kick, whānau. Unfortunately wasn't able to make that one, but what a beautiful kick that was. 13-point differential between our two teams right now. Francis definitely still has a chance to get themselves in this match, in the game. Both teams here, whānau, showing up. Looking for the kick to touch.
Holding.
Edge, Nathan, edge. Stay here. Chop. One side, go! Nice chase! Yes! Jackson, drop.
Boys, good catch. Let's go. Same again, push to the front. They can't move. It could be up. Numbers. Nice. Let's go. Come on.
Let's say we go to the corner. I can do that.
Face!
I can do it for eyes.
Who's got the cover?
Sakes, Marley.
Hey!
What do you think is going to happen?
Bro, no, you go like this. Oh, I can do it.
Oh.
Under.
Well, that's Luca.
Do you think he's kicking from the start? Do you think he's kicking?
Go, boys. Hey, come on.
We only lost one scrum.
Oh, and Lachlan's on.
Just like, oh, no, this is
Both big difference.
Lockie's like a good
Lockie's supposed to be Nah, that was just on bench just in case someone got fight or something. Thank you,
That was so dry. That's show. You're like those guys that talk about the NBA. Luke just blew out of he blew himself in. What? State show. Not losing team. What stats are you even looking at? I don't even think he knows the game. I was like, oh, is that Ollie? When you got that runaway from it was not Ollie. Look exactly like him. Look at this him blow over. You just see him fast cut his pose. He blew himself over. He jumped over it.
Right, let's go, boys. Come on.
PJ would have. He was in year 11 and he was very young. He was in year 11 as young as the year 10. Remember? PJ's young. He's like something year 12 right now. Yeah, they're both young. Like they're probably. I'd say they'd be the youngest most. Right, look at Fergus interrogating me.
Hayes, you took his ball. Look. Yeah, it's like have a look at
He was not happy.
Yeah, wait.
Final minutes of the game, final 20 points for St. Paul's College. Francis Douglas coming in strong there. Anei te whānau, nei rātou e ka tuki ana, e ka whakanga ana. Anei a tātou tima, tuki ana. Here they are, finally building it out. And just like that, finally they're able to score. Giving them up to 5 points, finally. Yeah, no, 12 points, 8 points difference between our two teams.
And then when he, my man.
Here they are waiting for the conversion kick final. I need the number to go. 30 minutes into our second half. Strong tackle final, reaching the near end of our game. 20 points for St. Paul's Collegiate, 12 points for Francis Douglas. Here they are trying to look for that opportunity to score themselves a try. 3 points behind final. They're going to at least need 2 tries to try and sort out the score. 40 to go, what by humility. Check the touch.
Keep running!
32 minutes in the final. We're reaching the near end of our match. St. Paul's with the lead. Francis Douglas Memorial College. 12 points and 8 point differential between our two teams at the moment. Passed out. Here they are. Stepping through the line at MΑORI. Both teams coming in hot on it, playing hard right until the very end of the game. Looking for the play. And they secure their ruck, making their way closer and closer to the try line. And a chase. Good bounce. – 33 minutes final. Final minutes of the game. Feilding. Tori te kau mā, tori miniti whā te kau mā rima, a he kona. O whai mai I tēnei hāwhuturu a te hāwhe whakamutunga o tēnei kēmu. There it is, soaring through the sky, picking the ball up. Can they kill time? They kick it down, whānau. Forcing it right down to the try line. Francis Douglas. With less and less minutes on the clock. It seems like we know the outcome of this match so far, whānau. There it is, quick check and play. Step and run. Francis coming up with the ball. Coming in strong. Beautiful tackle there was at MAORI, shutting out any opportunity for themselves. Nearing the end of our match, what can they do to finish this off? 8-point differential whānau, rua te kau ngā piro mo St. Paul's. Te kau Māori ngā piro mo Francis Douglas. Kia hua nei, kōrero ana, e whakawhiti-whiti kōrero ana a tātou kaiwa wau. Tachi, me te ref.
What's that? Get it out here, Rocco, what are you doing? Rocco's too
Ai rātou e tū ana ki te paitaha o te whirei, te iwi. Waiting for the line out pass.
Come on, Jack. Is that a card in your pocket? Listen, Jack. Jack, what does that mean? Jack, you're not dirty
To touch whānau. Bringing themselves some easy meters, bringing themselves closer and closer to their try line. This could be another opportunity for them to score themselves a try. Could this be the moment? The ball is in action, finally the ball is in play. Final minutes on the clock. Here they are battling it out far now. St. Paul's putting up beautiful defense, not letting any easy tries slide their way. Good tackle. Beautiful tackle there was far now. He gets back up and he drives for those extra meters with the far now. Just like that far now. Meters away from the try line. Closer and closer they get. Good pressure finally from both teams, showcasing a great amount of skill. And there it is, finally for Whanganui. This is the last play, finally, and then it's full time. Can you get to their try line? Nearly there, finally. About a meter away from that line. Beautiful defense by St. Paul's College for the last few moments of this game. Can you get that try? And there it is, Whanganui. That try is successful with the iwi. The go marketing up here Morato. They just added 5 points onto their 12 points. Currently sitting at a 3-point differential between our two teams right now. With a conversion kick about to be kicked. Mai te paitaha o te whira. What an outstanding performance these teams have provided for us today, whānau. Another big, huge thank you to all our sponsors, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Apollo Projects, and Anchor. Their sponsorship enables us to share this event with you and your whānau, and they back the growth of the sport community initiatives across Aotearoa te whānau. So I want to give a big, big thank you to our sponsors today who sponsored our game with the whānau. Just like that. And it's full time to you. Te kau market to ngā piro, the Francis Douglas, rua te kau ngā piro, o St. Paul's Collegiate. Both teams putting out an outstanding performance at the whānau. Neither team letting up whatsoever. Ki anau ki te tuku mihi ki a tātou rangatahi e tāko i te rānei, ki ngā referee, our touchies, everybody who joined into the live stream today, tap in and support our rangatahi, our tauira. And also to everybody else who was there in person, showing up, showing face. Beautiful game played from both teams. Neither team gave up until the very end. And here they are, whānau, in their final moments of the game before they get ready to shake hands.